Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you something about the hack driver. When the narrator graduated with honors, he became a junior assistant clerk in a law firm. He was sent to call the summons, not to prepare the legal briefs. And he did not like his profession because he had to move many and he had to go through the many dirty places of the city. Once he was very happy once when he wanted to be a direct lawyer without going this training session. Once he was very happy because he was sent 40 miles away from the country to a town that the name of the town was New Million. He had to find one person there, Oliver Lutkins. Oliver Lutkins was as an eyewitness was there. They had sent many call letters to him, but he did not respond him. When he reached the New Mutlins, he thought that it would be a very good place, but the roads were full of mud and the shops were made of wood. Many of them were painted and with brown color, and some of them were not painted. So only one person was standing there. He was a happy, friendly person, and he liked people. It seemed to him, and he told him that he wanted to find Oliver Lutkins. Lutkins, yeah, I have seen him just before 1 hour ago here. Maybe he will be at the back of Fritty's shop. There people play poker game, and he is a great lover of poker. Here is my hawk. I can bring it. I can find it for you. Narrator understood that he wanted his own business, but he was so friendly that he said that I will be very happy if my money will go in his pocket, and his kindness was real. So there was a bargaining about it was that for 1 hour he will pay him $2. So first of all he said that I don't want to interfere, that I think so that you have to take money from him. I also have to take 50 cents from him, but he does not give a single cent to anyone else. It is very hard to separate him from his pocket money, from his money. I played with him, that's why I had to take 50 cents, but he had not given. I was very stupid that I had given him money. But he was talking so friendly that he has told him each and everything, that why he was searching Oliver Lutkins. And Oliver Lutkins said his information will settle our case. So first of all they went to Fetish shop. Then he said that you just, I will ask for you, you just behind me. In the same way he did. The Tronga driver asked from him each and everything, but he said that just now he has gone from here. Maybe he has gone to the main road of the hotel. Then they went there. He was also not there. Then he thought that maybe he has gone to Gustav's shop. Then they asked from Gustav and two customers. They also didn't know. Sweat was also there, and Sweat told him that if you find him, please tell me, because I have to take $35 from him. Then they thought that maybe he has gone to Gray's shop, to another barber shop. They went there, and they said that he had just went away from 5 minutes away. Then they went. Maybe he has gone to pool room. When they reached to pool room, he was also bought a pack of cigarettes from there and went from there. So we were following him, but we could not catch him. Once when they started, then he told him, let's start driver. Then he said, don't call me driver, my name is Bill or Magnus, because my business is William Magnesian Fancy Carting and Hacking. William Magnus Fancy Carting and Hacking. So this question can be asked. I was hungry, but I was not worried about my hungerness, and I was enjoying Bill's rough country opinions about his neighbors, and that I scarcely cared whether I found Lutkins or not. It means I was enjoying the scene of the New Million. I was enjoying the opinion of people about Lutkins, and I was not worried why I am here. If I am not able to catch Lutkins, then what will happen? He was not worried for that. Thank you.